This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a close-to-the-loop West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at the always popular Presidential Towers. I'm in the foyer of apartment 3511, a studio in Tower 2, looking at the bath, which is off to the left as you enter the apartment. Turning around for a look at a nice-sized walk-in closet with both hanging and shelving space. Continuing into the apartment, you're seeing plank flooring that extends throughout. Very efficient U-shaped kitchen, 4-burner electric range, dark cabinetry, built-in microwave, a dishwasher, all stainless steel appliances, quartz counters, undermount sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, and there's a tile backsplash. This is one of a variety of finished packages that you're going to find at Presidential Towers. Continuing into a really spacious living dining area. There's also a breakfast bar pass-through into the kitchen. View is to the south largely. So if the sun were shining, the apartment would flood with light. Looking at the nearby Jane Byrne interchange on the Kennedy and Dan Ryan expressways, great expressway access, great public transit access. Presidential Towers has extensive amenities. It's always one of the most popular destinations in the sizzling hot West Loop. Belongs on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.